How to remove background in Picsart. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can remove background in Picsart. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to remove your background on Picsart, first thing is you need to head over to Picsart itself. And once you are there, you can tap on this plus icon to open up the Picsart and select the image from which you want to remove the background. So once you've selected the image, in order to remove the background, once you head over to the image, and in the bottom you should be finding different editing options. You can directly look out for this option called remove background if you want to remove your background. So just go ahead and tap on it, and when you do that, you will be finding the background being removed like this. So you can just go ahead and adjust it like this after the background is removed and click on right. So the background removal feature is actually a premium feature of Picsart. If you want that feature, you need to pay a certain amount and purchase the premium version of Picsart. So for now, that is the method if you want to remove the background, because the new update of Picsart has made the remove background feature a premium version. So you need to purchase it, unfortunately. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.